Hi friends, welcome to our channel Food and Happiness. Aloo Gobi Curry is most common day-to-day side dish recipe made with potatoes and cauliflower. Aloo Gobi Sabzi is simple and easy to make, yet very delicious side dish served with roti or chapati. So let's start. First, let's boil sufficient amount of water to cook potatoes and cauliflower. To this, let's add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, add few drops of oil. Water is boiling now. Let's add 2 big potatoes. Cut them into slightly big pieces. Cover and cook till the potatoes are cooked half. Let's check if potatoes are cooked. It's cooked well now. Let's add the cauliflower now. Cover and cook until the cauliflower is around 80% cooked. Let's check the gobi now. As you can see, it's cooked well now. Now let's transfer cooked gobi and potatoes in a bowl. Drain off all the water. Keep them aside now. Now let's heat around 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 bay leaf, 4 cloves, 2 cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon and 1 big cardamom. Saute them till the spices turn aromatic. Now let's add 2 big onions sliced lengthwise. Saute the onions till they turn brown. Cover and cook the onions. When onions are cooking, let's make tomato paste. Take 2 big tomatoes roughly chopped, 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger and around 10 garlic pods. Grind them to make a smooth paste. As you can see, onions are turned brown. It adds extra taste in the curry. Now let's add the tomato paste. Mix it well with the onions. Cover and cook the tomato paste. Now let's add salt according to your taste. Give it a nice mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix all the spices. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of jeera powder and mix it well. Cover and cook the masala. Now let's add 1 cup of water to adjust the consistency. Give it a nice mix. Now let's add the boiled potatoes and cauliflower. Gently mix the veggies with the masala. Do not break it. Let's add little water so that the masala gets coated well on the vegetables. Cover and cook for a minute. Easy and tasty Aloo Gobi Masala is ready now. Let's sprinkle 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add some fresh chopped coriander leaves. Mix gently. You can serve this delicious and easy vegetable curry with chapati, roti or with hot steamed rice. You can even pack this sabzi for lunchbox. Hope you all liked this recipe. Do try the recipe and share your valuable comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.